los chicos Truck Soul, estilo hip hop, a prepararse, adelante, mientras van coordinando todo, están todos invitados también a disfrutar, como ya dijeron, otros están, ahí están los chicos, fuerte el aplauso para ellos, Street Soul, estilo hip hop, bien preparados, mucho color, mucho entusiasmo, mucha juventud, Loja y Juguese Barrio, Plaza Sol Naciente, Barrio Republicano.
Take my loot and I'm bagging you. Pimpin' hoes that drive Bobos and rodeos. Blast the road, make the rock in the pantyhose. Damn, another style is unorthodox. Rip the clock when I walk down the crowded block. Just in case a nigga wanna back out, I just black out, blow the motherfucking back out. That's what it is, nigga. You say M.I.G. my nigga. I'm trying to act like you don't feel it, nigga. Biggie, you nigga, 50, you nigga, squeeze the trigger, leave a nigga for sure. You don't feel this, nigga. 50 say M.I.G. my nigga. I'm trying to act like you don't feel it, nigga. Biggie, you nigga, 50, you nigga, squeeze the trigger, leave a nigga for sure.
You got that milk money. I got that milk money. I got that milk money. Heard you in the mood for a little milkshake. Welcome to the Dairy Duchess Love Factory. I could whip it up, fix you up straight away. Come on in the front door, leave it at the back door, whip it, flip it, hey. She's a harassing, give it to you, didn't need a milk, can I harass you, motherfucker? You got that milk money. I got that milk money.
I'm with the $1 million crew. I bust my gun for life. Got 4-5 on the waistline, you can make a move when you want to. Keep calling my boss in the city homeboy, cause a nigga don't know you. Keep thinking I'm playing, he thinking I'm playing, they thinking I'm playing. Channel 7 News said a whole lot of people been popping up dead. Rule number 1, we don't do the police, never talk to the feds. We ain't gonna ride in the Benz, 2 G's with a head full of dreads. Watch them niggas, don't like them niggas, don't trust them niggas. Brain, man, you think Chief Keef in this motherfucker? I said, why you over there looking at me? I'm with my girlfriend. Why you over there looking at me? My girlfriend. Take it to the hotel. While I'm with my girlfriend. It's kinda hard when I see you looking over here with the mask. I got a girl, but I'm feeling your body, so I'ma have to just play both sides. I hope she don't come over here, cause I'm with my girl, you know I love her. I got 2 of my bitches in the club, and they know about each other. Oh no, but a nigga never paranoid. You fucking with a man like a little boy. What? I can barely hear a little voice in the club, but your body making all the noise. Clap it up, stack it up, weigh your purse, just tag it up, grab a hand, tell her we should go now. If you really wanna take this party to the hotel. I said, why you over there looking at me? While I'm with my girlfriend. Why you over there looking at me? My girlfriend. Take it to the hotel. Baby, we can take it low. Take it to the hotel. Baby, leave it there. No, I got a penthouse suite. I said, why you over there looking at me? While I'm with my girlfriend. Champion, what a piece of money, girl, tell me where you get it from. Knock on your entrance, ram pa pa pam pam. Can't let me in me and the timber.
you wine like you in a trouble. On the floor, we are grind like couple. While the selector, the tune them a trouble. Hold up, wait a minute, baby. Anyway you go, you know, send me a bit there. Roll up, that bumper, the baby. Fling it one day, say you know you drive me crazy. Over, show me the bad girl style. They get the most views like Gangnam Style. Skin smooth like textile, no give a reptile. Trisha, you know you drive the man, them wild.
My girls coming at the dance and a wine and I'm looking for a rude boy thing. Bad boys coming at the dance and a wine and I'm looking for a rude girl thing. I don't know about you right now, but I'm gonna hold a good vibe. Kenyan girl, dance and a wine and I'm giving.
I'm on my knees while I'm paying, cause I don't wanna lose. I got my arms so spread, I hope that my heart gets fed. Matter of fact, when I'm begging, begging you, put your loving hand out, baby. Begging, begging you, put your loving hand out, darling.
Qué bueno, qué bueno. Street Soul. Los chicos de la calle del Sol aquí. Nos trasladamos hasta grandes capitales del mundo y aquí fuerte el aplauso que se merecen estos chicos con un estilo de street house, hip hop, street soul. Trajeron las calles del Sol aquí en este barrio, en esta plaza Sol Naciente, en este barrio republicano. Fuerte el aplauso, chicos, chicas, señores. Y bueno, mientras se va preparando, tengo aquí también a un grupo también que va a dar también participación. Qué bueno, ¿no?
Sí.
A ver un poquito de qué nos sale. ¿Tu nombre?
Keren.
Bueno, Karen, vos que estás especializada en esto, ¿qué opinas de todo esto?
Muy bueno que presentemos nuestros talentos.
¿Y ustedes? ¿Y usted qué opinan, ya que tiene una experiencia básica en esto?
Y la verdad que estuvo